how to clean a massive rat infestation that took over a bathroom. And we're about to do that right now. We're dealing with porous material here in a bathroom with urine, rat feces, we got blood, we got hair. It's completely disgusting. So we're gonna show you the steps that we like to take to get this back to a normal, livable condition. Just wanna show you the before, how disgusting this place is. You can see the vanity here. Look at the countertop. They came up, look at the amount of debris that they nested right here in the corner. All of that vanity right here is completely covered with their oil and secretion. Look at the inside of the sink. Look at that. It's completely compacted with rat poop. And then over here is disgusting. This is where they urinated. This whole area here is completely just probably 1/8 of an inch of just disgusting urine. And over here on the ground, you can see the amount of rat feces. Oh, take a look at back here. Look at that. And then even in the toilet, there was massive debris in here. We actually just flushed the toilet to see if it's working. But this entire area just needs to be sanitized. So the first step obviously is to get rid of all of the carpets and debris, bag and haul away. We'll show you some steps to really sanitize and kill all of this bacteria and smell. All right, so you can see, hazmat suits and gloves and masks are all super important when you're dealing with this contamination here. Okay, so the next step now is to vacuum up the debris. You might want to consider using a HEPA filter. You're going to get a lot more particulates. It's not going to cross-contaminate as much, and it's perfect for this type of application. So HEPA filter is super, super important. Got to be the cleanest toilet in America. This is where an enzyme, whether it's the twin enzyme or an enzyme out there, you need to get. Bacteria really needs to be dealt with an enzyme. The enzyme attacks it. It helps kill all the bacteria and the odor, especially when you have porous material. So what we're doing here, kind of the fun part, is just saturate all the areas and let that soak in, and then we're going to do a wipe down, and then we're probably going to do this about 3 or 4 times just to really get this disinfected. Starting to smell better already. All right guys, so everything's being decontaminated with our Puro Cleanse. We'll be back in the morning. Tyler will decontaminate the HVAC ductwork, and I think we're going to be awesome.